morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. Normally, it used to be the day I would go grocery shopping, but I went yesterday. Saturday might probably become my new norm. Don't know yet. Um, last night was, let's say, yesterday was a very busy day because I prepared by Sakruk. I know I'm saying that wrong, and I'm definitely using the wrong accent. Because there was pickling of for there was pickling for the veggies, then there was the marinade, but the actual cooking of the dish was easy. Um, Excellent meal. It's hard to describe this meal in pictures or video. It's an excellent the pick. Let's start with the pickled vegetables. Yummy, little spicy, but oh, yum. Worth the time. Worth the time. The marinade with the coconut milk and so on and so on and so on. It's excellent. This whole package, but the beautiful thing, go back to the marinade turns into a sauce, and everything combined, it's an excellent meal. 5 stars, easy. 5 plus. Definitely try this one. It's excellent. We're continuing our culinary expedition. I have a cheat sheet sign to tell me what word to use. The expedition continues today to Algeria. I had to do a little bit of homework on this one, which I don't care. I like the homework. I like the research, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Today I am preparing Chorba Frik. This is a traditional Algerian stew or soup, which uses an ancient grain. That's how it's categorized. Ancient grain. Let's get to it. Dutch oven. One vessel today. Dutch oven. Got some lamb. Working with lamb today. Fortunately, I have a source for it. Some olive oil pumice, kosher salt, black pepper, celery, Roma tomatoes, garlic, chickpeas or garbanzo beans, some tomato paste. This is the ancient grain. I know I'm going to say this wrong. Frika. It's from what I understand, it's according to the packages, it's a baby wheat. I could only find it in one place, but I was able to find it, and it wasn't that expensive. It's got some fun spices. Paprika. I'm using an Indian paprika. Lal mirch, which is a Indian. If you remember from past recipes, this is a Indian hot chili pepper powder. Indonesian cinnamon, ground coriander, ground ginger, dried mint, some green onions, and cilantro. So here's all the goodies for tonight's feast from Algeria. So as you can see, this is going to be a fun dish. It's actually very simple. This is technically, according to the original recipe, this is a pressure cooker recipe, which I'm actually going to do on the stovetop, old school. Just adds more time. That's all. But there's something else I want to show you. These are the recipes from last culinary year. So that's them. It's probably not every single one, but that gives you a good idea. And that's my hand next to it. Yeah. Just wanted to show you that. That's a lot of paper. So I hope you have a great day. It's a little breezy here this morning. It's actually technically windy, I think. It's a little chilly, but that's okay. It's going to warm up. So on this Sunday, have a great day.
eat great food, and have fun cooking.